Here's an urgent winter weather message from the National Weather Service for Fairbanks, Alaska. This covers St. Lawrence Island, the Bering Strait coast, including Gambell, Safunga, Breving Mission, Teller, Wales, and Diamede. This was issued 3:15 a.m. Alaska Standard Time, Friday, February 3rd, 2023. Blizzard warning in effect from midnight tonight to 3 p.m. Alaska Standard Time, Saturday. Blizzard conditions expected, total snow accumulations around 1 inch. Wind gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. This is for the St. Lawrence Island and the Bering Strait coast. This is from midnight tonight to 3 p.m. Saturday. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The cold wind chills as low as 30 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. A blizzard warning means that severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely difficult.